so we are back. Now this video is going to be about using some 3M adhesive to put trim back on any vehicle. This one in particular is going to be a 2018 Cadillac CTS. Let's dive into it. Alright, so this is what we got right here. Just picked this up at O'Reilly's. This is the 3M Black Weatherstrip Adhesive. That's it right there. You should be able, they also have one at AutoZone that's slightly different, but both do the same thing. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we're at the problem part right here. It's going to be this piece of trim. As you see, if you lift up on it, it's completely loose. It's lost all of its grip, all of its glue, and it's just slowly falling off. The reason this is such a big problem is because when I'm driving down the road, it smacks and it causes a really annoying noise inside the vehicle. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take some acetone to clean the area. So we're just going to pull this seal back, and then we're going to wipe the acetone between the two sections. That way we could get it real nice and clean. And then we will be putting the glue in. So taking a closer look at this as I was cleaning it, this actually has double-sided tape that's supposed to adhere to. So that was the failing point. Obviously this could just work right over the top of the tape. And if you didn't want to use glue, we could just use more tape, but I believe in the glue a little more. So I got it all cleaned out, and now we're just gonna let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna get our glue out. Okay, so here's our glue. So to open these up, it's pretty simple. It's pretty much the same as every other one. You're just gonna take off the screw, and you see how it's sealed. The top of the cap has a point. So you're just going to press it down, pop it open, and you're ready to go. Okay, so the best method for this, put some on your finger, on your glove, use your other hand to pull away the seal, and then just keep putting dabs inside and wiping it down. It's the best method to get it evenly coated in there. I did get a little bit on the outside, but I was able to clear it off real easy. So yeah. Okay, so it does snap back in, this piece of trim, so it would dry perfectly fine. But I'm going to make sure it gets the best adhesion it possibly can. So I'm just going to put these little tiny C-clamps on there just to make sure it's real tight to the door frame. Okay, I got the C-clamps on there to hold it tight. I'm going to let it dry for about 20 minutes. And I'll take those clamps off. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. Took off the clamps, and it is solid as a rock. That is not going anywhere. So that's it. That's going to solve all of our issues. And like I said, this works for everything. So that's it on the repair. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think it's a good product. I'd definitely stick with it. And I'll see you on the next video. Hope this helped.